G'day, my name is Mark Malore. I've got a number of clients in Rancho Mirage that are dealing with bankruptcy issues, so I thought it helpful to do a quick video for you on some of the distinctions between Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Let's first talk about Chapter 7. In Chapter 7 bankruptcy, you must qualify under what's called a means test. The means test is dependent upon your income, your yearly income, and whether that income falls above or below the California median income, which is statutorily provided for income level. Assuming it falls below the statutory median income, the California median income, you qualify to file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. If it falls above the median income, then you're filing a Chapter 13. But assuming it falls below, you can file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. The 7 bankruptcy can be discharged in about 90 to 120 days. The other good thing about a Chapter 7 to distinguish it from a Chapter 13 is that the debt in a Chapter 7 is discharged completely. In other words, the unsecured debt is discharged without having to repay any of that back. A Chapter 13 differs in that it takes 3 to 5 years for a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. There's no means test to qualify for the filing of Chapter 13, so if your income falls above the median, California median income, you'll be filing a Chapter 13. It takes 3 to 5 years to obtain a discharge from the bankruptcy court under that Chapter 13 filing. But more importantly, you're repaying a portion of that debt. One of the distinctions between Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 is that you're repaying a portion of the debt as opposed to it all being discharged. So under Chapter 13, you'll repay a portion of that debt, 10 cents to 90 cents on the dollar, just depends on what your income is and what your debt level carry is, and the trustee will set that for you. And then upon repayment, there's also one other thing that you can qualify to do under Chapter 13 that's not available for you in Chapter 7, and that's a process called lien stripping. Many of my clients here in the Inland Empire have homes that are 50% underwater. They've got firsts and seconds on those homes, and so under a lien stripping process with a Chapter 13, you can strip the second away from your home, giving you an immediate injection of equity into the home following the repayment period of 3 to 5 years. Just some of the distinctions and differences between Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. If you have some particular circumstances that you'd like to talk to us about, feel free to set up a free consultation with my office.